Hello everybody, STech here, and today we're going to be looking at how to make the Brightboard from Fortnite. Okay, before I talk about it, let's get a look at the Brightboard close up. Okay, you saw that lovely close-up shot, and now I can talk about the few things there are to talk about. It's basically just a painting project. I don't have templates because of that. It's just like a board. Everything is like whatever you want the size to be. Like just make like a long, board, whatever you want. Then like plate, a little box, and then this metal rod and these. It's like nothing complex. The hard part is painting. I painted it all before I put these on. Yeah, these octagon, whatever, stops and shapes gave me a lot of trouble because I just glanced at the reference photo I was looking at, and I thought they were stop sign shapes. So then I tried that for a while, and that didn't work, and I realized that they were not. Maybe they are. Oh no, maybe, I don't know. It's just pay careful attention to the orientation of these, like how the point is going up and not the flat side up. I don't know. I got confused about that for a long time. So be careful when you're doing those shapes on the background. I tried to make some kind of stencil thing. I don't know. It might be better if you just paint it on. I don't really know what the best way to do it is. Anyway, that was kind of a tricky part of it. Maybe the hardest part. Then you draw everything else on. You draw, paint it all in. Not too bad. Then you stick these things on and paint them yellow and black. And then you can stick on this nice strap on the back. That's basically it. Yeah, so not too complex. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.